Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte. In today's video, I'm going to show you two tempeh recipes. The first tempeh recipe I'm going to show you is a Malaysian sambal tempeh with French beans. The second tempeh recipe is a sweet, sticky soy sauce tempeh. For the sambal tempeh, we're going to make a fresh sambal using some fresh chili pepper. For the traditional recipe, they use dried chilies. However, that can be too spicy for some people, so I'm using a mix of chili pepper and some bird eye chili. First, I'm going to slice all the chili peppers lengthwise and remove all the seeds. Then just roughly chop them so they're easier to blend in the blender. You'll need 2 large shallots. Peel them and roughly chop them. You'll need 2 large cloves of garlic. Peel them and roughly chop them as well. In a blender, add in your chili, shallots, and garlic. As well as a 1/4 cup of water to help it blend easier. Blend on medium speed until you have this smooth sambal sauce. This is the consistency you should have for your sambal sauce. You'll need 1 packet of tempeh, which is 100 grams. Slice them into 1/4 inch pieces. You'll need about 10 French beans. Remove the ends and slice into 1 inch long pieces. Set aside the French beans. In a pan on medium-low heat, heat up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Pan fry the tempeh for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're golden brown. Once they're golden brown, remove them from the pan. In the same pan, heat up 1/2 tablespoon of cooking oil. Saute the French beans for 3 to 4 minutes until they're cooked and vibrant green. Then remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Pour in the sambal sauce. Cook your sambal sauce on medium heat, stirring constantly until it has thickened. After 3 minutes, it should have reduced into a thicker sauce. Transfer the French beans and tempeh into the sambal. Season with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix all the seasonings in well. Let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar has melted. The sambal tempeh is all done and I can't wait to try it. I'm sorry about that background noise. Just bear with me on that. There's a lot of renovation going on upstairs. I really love the contrast of the crunchy French beans with the creamy tempeh. It has a nice balance of sweet and savory, and there's a nice caramelly flavor from the brown sugar. That's optional, you can use white sugar, but I wanted to use brown sugar. I really enjoyed that, so let's move on to our next recipe. For this easy sweet soy sauce tempeh, you'll need 1 large shallot, slice into thin slices, you'll need 1 large chili pepper, sliced in diagonal slices, in a pan, heat up some oil and saute the shallots until it's soft and translucent. Once the shallots are cooked, remove them from the pan. In the same pan with the remaining oil, pan fry the tempeh. Once the tempeh is golden brown, remove them from the pan. In the same pan with more cooking oil, saute the chili peppers for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add soy sauce and brown sugar. Let that simmer and reduce into a syrup consistency. Add in the sauteed shallots. Transfer the tempeh into the sauce. Toss well so that all the tempeh is evenly coated. Let's try sweet soy sauce tempeh. It's sweet, it's savory, and it's sticky. I hope you enjoyed those 2 recipes. Like if you enjoyed watching this video, and subscribe if you want to stick around for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Wednesday for a new video. Bye.